So welcome, and look, I wanted to do a bit of a video where I just ramble on. We're about to end 2023 and chivvy on over into 2024, and I kind of wanted to do a video a little bit on reflection of how 2023 has gone, and then sort of talk about goals and aspirations that I personally have for 2024. I do think that it's been a fantastic 2023, full of learnings and success from my perspective anyway. And I think that there's learnings that everybody can make just from a reflection video like this. And yeah, I kind of just want to get into it right away. So a bit of a rambling video. We'll probably just do this, try to keep it as short and as punchy as possible. But I look back on 2023 and I feel proud about what we've achieved here at Cheeky Crypto. I think we've navigated this bear market impeccably. I think that 2022 we supported people keep their crypto safe. We've done lots of education, both written and video content. We've, I guess, reduced the barrier to entry. We supported people get into projects that haven't gone live yet, seed round, private rounds through partners like 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗪𝗧𝗕, that have enabled people that would not normally be able to get in right at the ground floor for some of these projects and make some tremendous gains. I mean, 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗪𝗧𝗕, Hypercycle, Rejuve, many others. It's been a fantastic year, and I would encourage people to join our Discord group, which is free to join, right? Fantastic community. And one of the learnings and I guess part of the reflection that I have for 2023 is there is nobody in crypto that knows it all. And Nick, myself, our team, everybody, nobody knows everything in crypto. There's always something new to learn. There's always something new happening in crypto and blockchain technology. And upon reflection, if you're not in a Discord community, you should probably involve yourself in one. If you want to be successful in crypto investing, then you need to surround yourself with supportive individuals, people that are going to help you achieve your goals, people that have got your best interests at heart, and so on. And I know I talk a lot about other crypto influencers being bad for the space and for retail investors that are looking to be successful. But if you just park all of that to one side, the community benefits are immense. And it's free to join the Discord, by the way, link in the description of the video. But there's so many learnings that people have made. They've made over some really experienced people, perhaps people that aren't experienced in crypto investing for that long. But there's always somebody in the Discord that will have an answer for you, that knows or has an experience of loss. And you don't need to experience those same losses. People have that experience and they're sharing their experience of loss in the Discord. So you don't have to make the same mistakes they made, that entry fee that a lot of people talk about. So I would encourage people upon reflection, and I'd love to see members talking about it in the comments of this video of some of the things that they've learned from the Discord in 2023, and what they've really liked the most, I guess, when it comes to Cheeky Crypto and the community. I just think that it's a really powerful thing. We're still really early, and it sounds crazy still saying that after the amount of years we've been saying it for on YouTube and stuff, but I don't want people feeling like they've lost or missed the opportunity, because we're going to, in my opinion, see a big pullback. And I think that there's going to be some great buying opportunities just around the corner in 2024. Now, like, patience is something that I think a lot of people have learned in 2023 in our community, at least. And that is super exciting to see the growth that people have had in the Discord. There's over 7,000 people in there, but there's half a dozen people that have really grown as investors, and they're doing very, very well. Like, a lot of people join the Discord. They've joined because they've had really bad experiences, and you see them kind of try to turn that around. And we've seen some phenomenal growth in individuals in the Discord, right? We do see this. It's something we're very, very proud of. So upon reflection, I'm proud of all the stuff that we've achieved here on this channel, and I think it's remarkable, the growth that we've seen, and I'm super excited. So upon reflection, everybody's still learning, including myself. I think my biggest learning is probably the most recent one, where I was debanked by Santander. This, for me, like, we bang on about exchanges and the risk there, and not keeping your crypto on exchanges, but then to experience a bank debank you and tell you you can't have their services anymore, and that they're going to freeze your assets, that is an experience that people shouldn't have to have. And off the back of that, learning experience, I guess, I've passed on that that learning to our community, to not have the same issue. So how can they mitigate that and stuff like that? And I think this is again just a sign upon reflection that we're always learning, always growing, and nobody has all the answers. I think we're closer to having all the answers, but nobody ever will. So yeah, look, that's my reflection for 2023. Going into 2024, I do expect some volatility, particularly around the Bitcoin spot ETF and the Ethereum spot ETF. I think the Fed pivot will see a crash in stocks and crypto. I don't think that will be a long-lasting kind of scenario where the prices are really cheap for a long time. I think it'd be not perhaps a flash crash, but close to it, sort of in between a flash crash and just a crash kind of thing. But I think that'll be the last time, and then we're in the bull market as the money printer goes on. So I think there's a lot to be really excited about in 2024. My goals and aspirations are that this will probably be my last bull run before I sort of hand over the reins of our business to others to kind of fill my boots and start their journey of educating people in crypto. I'll still be around, and Cheeky Crypto will still continue as normal, but that's one of my goals and aspirations for this bull market in 2024. Over the next sort of 12 or so months, I will be taking more and more of a back step and letting others push forward and support the community. And that's something really, really exciting, because this is like a 365-day a year gig, right? The team's all over the world, and it takes a lot out of you. You miss a lot of time with the family, and you don't have any holidays. I think I've got my first holiday booked in 2024. Super excited about that, where I actually get a week off where I can just close everything down, and Nick and the team will just manage the video content and questions and all that sort of stuff. So there's a lot to be really excited about. So for me, that's like my biggest goal and aspiration. What I think would be a really good thing to do would be to have people sort of list out their goals, their aspirations for 2024 in the comments. I'd really like to see people's goals and aspirations for the upcoming year. What do you expect will happen? And let's sort of push that positivity going into 2024 on what we're likely to achieve and what our goals and aspirations are. I think it's really important to have goals and aspirations. Without them, you're kind of wandering without any sort of real path. And I think it's important to know where you're heading and where you want to be. I've seen people do this and be very, very successful. So yeah, super excited about all the learnings that we've had and super excited about the future. If there's one thing that you're going to take from this video, I would like it to be that you need to surround yourself with a fantastic community. I would love to see you all in the Discord, even if you are not, maybe IT literate and you've never been in a Discord. I'd encourage you to join and learn it. Again, just maybe you make that one of your goals for 2024. Join us in there. See, more about Cheeky Crypto. Learn more about us, our community, our team, and the opportunities that are there. Because there's so many opportunities that just watching the videos alone, you're not taking advantage of. And the Discord is where a lot of this stuff is happening. And I know I'm banging on about it a lot in this video, but I do think that you are missing out if you're not immersing yourself in a fantastic community. Super excited for 2024. I'm wishing everybody a happy new year. I hope you have a fantastic time this evening, seeing in the new year, and you're not hanging out of your asses too bad tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.